Horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
It's a 2020 GR Supra. Woo! I hate it, love it. It's this kind of thing. It's the way I'm feeling about how I got my GTR in the first few years. I hated the GTR. I hated the concept of it. But then I end up spending $80,000 in copping a GTR. So, and I still have that bad boy to this day. And the GTR is almost fully paid off, and we do need a new car for the Cars With Limits channel. And I don't know, this possibly could be it. It depends on how everything goes. We're still waiting for somebody to contact about us. It might be a stupid purchase because I feel like depending how everything goes down, it might go down in value due to the fact that, thanks buddy, due to the fact that there's a lot of hate towards this car. It's not how everybody picked it as. But we have a lot of new generation of kids and young adults where they appreciate this car, especially coming from the FRS or the BRZ, whatever it's one you call these days. So this car, it's going to be something that we're going to see. We're going to see over. If anybody that goes to Vegas or SEMA, you're going to see at least 200 of these cars. I'm going to say body kits, tuned rims, the whole 9 yards, crazy wraps, probably some aggressive body kits from Liberty Walk, Rocket Bunny, and you guys already know about it. But this one right now, guys, I do like it. And you guys can see the headlights. You can see parts of the old MK4 Supra in it, which is very, very nice. And also, guys, our very, very favorite feature of the car, the non-functional vents, which does not make sense of why they're there like that. But we're not the designers. We're not the people at BMW or Toyota who was the head designer of this vehicle. So until then, we have to wait for a few more months until we start seeing these more on the road, because we will. And obviously, we're going to check out some of our favorite Instagram pages that take care of, the aftermarket parts. Some of our favorite Instagram shops. You're going to see this car. I guarantee by the end of this year, we're going to have a 2JZ motor in this. Not mine, but somebody would do it because, hey, it looks like it really could fit it. It's just gonna be something crazy, guys. But anyway, we're gonna check out the Super Dirties because it's time for a new pickup truck. Check you guys soon.
Horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.